Hey everybody, Warren down here at Mike's Off-Road. One of the cool things about working at a shop like this is we get to work on all sorts of cool and interesting vehicles, and this today is an example of one of them. This is a 2019 Mercedes Sprinter van. In addition to that, it's actually four-wheel drive from the factory, which is pretty rare in these vans. Most of them are conversions to turn them into four-wheel drive. So that one makes this actually a one-of-a-one vehicle on the road today. Today, we installed a truck defender front bumper. We had 3-inch fog lights installed, and then we had to do a little bit of custom fabrication to make the factory cruise control work with it. Being as how this is kind of a unique vehicle, it didn't really come with instructions specific to this vehicle, so we had to kind of do a little bit of exploration while we installed it. We had to pull the front factory cover, pull the bumper mount behind it. We had to custom mount the factory safety cruise control. This bumper didn't actually come with the mounting spot for the factory radar cruise control, so we had to fabricate a little plastic plate in order to mount that up out of the bumper so it's not behind any metal in order for it to work properly. On top of that, it also came with 3-inch fog lights, which we wired directly into the stock fog light switch. So there's no extra wiring, there's no extra switches in your cab. Everything is nice and clean and stock. So no matter what your vehicle is, no matter how unique or cool or one of a kind, come on down to Mike's Off-Road. We can put accessories on it, bumpers, lights, as well as keep any sort of safety and drivability stock items attached and working properly. Come and see us if you need it installed.